Vamos acá al lado, yo estoy no. Fucking box.
¿Aquí atrás?
Sí, ahí nomás. Dale, we got it, we gotta cool down.
I actually didn't see him. I saw Kelsey get scared off.
Do you want your cameras or no?
Hey. Die.
It did.
Who's dying?
How's it going? Too slow, too fast?
No, that was perfect. Alright, let me get up. The Honda died again, yeah, the fix didn't work.
Here, I'll push him.
Now on team power. I ain't doing shit here, but anyway.
Hold on, I gotta realign. I'm coming.
Back it up, back it up. Hang, you good, you good, you good.
I don't know. Something electrical gotta be getting wet though.
Feels good.
Quick hold.
That's what I'm saying, that's what it feels good.
It's not rolling.
Oh shit, it's deep.
Are you in neutral? Yeah. Keep looking with it. Now it's neutral.
But airbox now? No. You didn't have water before in the airbox, right? So whatever it is, it's electrical.
It keeps happening.
So that it wasn't the electric is. And it happened as soon as way.
Is it those wires?
Unlikely,
I don't think so.
because he died before that. And if it was those wires, the ignition wouldn't be on, still on.
Bubble's not good.
That's the airbox. Thank you. Hook it up.
side.
Hook. Got it?
Nate, it's an easy pull. Can I just do the rack?
What? Yeah, it's gonna be floating. Just jump off of it and walk in. It'll be fine.
¿Animando, flaco?
Ah,
¿Animando?
de aquí para adelante ya. Hay un drop off. No, no.
I'll hit it.
Ah, nope.
Oh, I need that.
You want that?
I need it.
To the
Yeah.
right?
He lost it yesterday.
What?
No, the same one, no, but yeah, it will be close enough.
That's a 12.
He won't care. He lost yesterday.
I only got one.
All right, there you go.
Thank you.
The feels give and the feels take too.
That's it.
The two for Cinderella.
Thank you, thank you.
Watch out with your fingers.
Hey, see if it'll start with the exhaust out.
There was a lot of bubbles coming up. I don't want to.
I'm gonna just put it in reverse.
For sure you got it on the water on the airbox now.
Yeah, I got it. I don't want to. I don't want to try to start it.
Exactly, no, very, very short and fucking up. You're gonna run my ass over the... You forgot about the trailer.
I don't think it got in the airbox.
Yeah, the airbox.
No?
Off it once too many times.
Dude, what the fuck, man?
Something's not happy. That's what ours is gonna turn into in a year or two. Electrical headache, just like yours.
You gotta give it maintenance.
What the fuck, man? When I first got that thing, the previous owner never took it in the mud. I pulled every connector and dielectric grease, every single connector.
That was the first thing you did good right there.
Yeah, before it ever got dirty or anything.
It's a bad angle. You need a fucking.
Then roll it backward, roll it backward. Well, it will keep on neutral, right?
Yeah, hold up.
Not roll.
Okay. Going so the back end is the furthest down.
Oh, so you're gonna make it go in the water again?
It's good now.
Alright, let's see if it likes it now.
¿Qué le puede estar pasando?
Algo eléctrico, porque cuando te metes bajo el agua, se le apaga.
Lo que le pasa a Juan Pablo. Pasaba.
It's bubbling out. Keep going. Shoot it out. This time it's just full of water. It's shooting
Sube
it
el
out.
gas.
Yeah. Porque no hay spark ni nada, el spark flojo de lleno de agua. It's coming.
I can smell the start. I just don't want to put that starter because it's been excessively used.
Excessively abused. Yeah.
Those things get hot too when you just crank them and crank them and
I
crank
know.
them.
That's why you burn them off. Sí, coming.
Parece sensor.
No, pero esta no tiene ningún sensor.
Yo creo que se está
Pumping
alineado.
right before it stops.
Could be. Sam?
Some, no, a lot.
Yeah, probably check your oil.
Yeah, that might be smart.
If the valve was open, it can get into the crank
Yeah, for sure.
combustion chamber.
You got a 50-50 chance. Not like we do, we got 2 cylinders. I know, you good, you got one. You still good.
It's two?
Oh,
Ito
yeah.
uno.
Pero, check the oil or not?
It's not why it's dying.
No, it's not.
No, you're good.
So don't go in deep water.
It sucks.
A Honda will not go into the water, yes, it sucks, that's right.
But something is wrong.
Yes, we know that for a fact, yes. What could it be? We are not in a position to say so right now.
Mira. Mira, bro.
That was the idea on this one, but it didn't work.
I don't know what the hell that is.
For sure it's electrical when you're going under, but it would be nice to know